Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phasmophobia on nightmare difficulty. First, understand that ghosts give less evidence, often only one type, making identification harder. Your sanity will drain much faster, leading to more frequent ghost hunts. Be aware that many hiding spots are removed, and the fuse box always starts off, so you'll need to turn it on quickly. These changes demand a more strategic and cautious approach to every investigation. For nightmare mode, essential gear includes a strong flashlight, sound sensor, and EMF reader to gather initial clues. Your primary goal is to locate the ghost room as fast as possible while staying safe. Smudge sticks are crucial for delaying hunts and providing an escape route when the ghost becomes aggressive. Always try to maintain your sanity above 50% using sanity pills to reduce the frequency of hunts and increase your survival chances. Identifying the ghost on nightmare requires keen observation of its unique behaviors and interactions, as evidence is scarce. Use your thermometer to confirm the ghost room's temperature, looking for freezing temperatures. Listen carefully for distinct ghost sounds, such as a banshee's scream or a phantom's whisper, which can provide vital clues. Systematically rule out ghosts based on the evidence you don't find, narrowing down the possibilities until you have a confident identification. Surviving hunts on nightmare difficulty means learning common ghost hunt patterns and identifying potential escape routes in each map. Place crucifixes strategically in high-traffic areas or the ghost room to prevent hunts and buy valuable time. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Constant communication with your team is vital for sharing information, warning others of danger, and coordinating your efforts to complete objectives and escape safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.